Into the mirror, following your heart, but you silence to the fear, and you deserve it. You deserve it. Rainy season's gonna go. Now your seeds can grow. Imagine that. You deserve it. You deserve it now. Hey.
Pick up the phone, little darling, I got a bit to say. I'm speaking from the heart, I pray it doesn't ricochet. I know you got his up, distance makes this hard enough. I hope that I can ask for you to listen, man, this part is tough. I sent a message and maybe you didn't get it yet. When you have a second, you should check it, swear you won't regret it. I'm stepping out of a meeting, a big amount's where it's leading. I'll make you proud in proceedings, we'll hit the town in the evening, darling. And then it's time for us to celebrate. Pop some vino, we know we'll celebrate. Hello, mate.
Salted caramel. Ay, red caramel. Nakakabilang tang yung pressure.
I don't know why she got me feeling this way. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. She lies like every night by every word she'll say. She's got a way about her. She's got a way about her. But she doesn't know. She's got a yeah. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Look. Ain't got a dollar to my name, but boy, I'm feeling lucky. I'm really feeling good, ain't nobody that can touch me. I'm chill. Got some vodka in my slushy. A couple more of these and I might get a little slutty. If you come to the shows, then thank you muchly. Yeah, we just out for the good times. Sleeping in too late, my big getting a little stubbly. I drank way too much bubbly, now my morning's looking ugly. Why do I keep doing this shit, man? Don't need a drink just to brighten my day. But when it comes free, girl, what can I say? The water's nice if you're down my way. Okay. Cool, level up every time we on stage. Sounds pretty nice, yeah, I think I'll stay. Tryna treat life like a video game. I'll play. Okay, like back in primary school, like when we were kids, we used to like pee up the urinal wall to see how high we could get it, like as a competition. But for one time, I peed so high that it forked back and landed on my own head. But that's why the no hat, no play rule in school was so genius, because if I wasn't wearing a hat, I would have peed on my own head. And I just wanted to let y'all know that this is the guy y'all chose to support. Past life, past tense, miss me with that bullshit. Past time doing things that mama won't be cool with. People pass me up, they callin' back, I be like, who this? Smart boy, dumb luck, fans be going stupid. Truth is, I'd run laps around them if I just knew where my shoes is. Money in the sock drawer, so my sneakers all a loose fit. Tell them all my secrets, I don't care if they got loose lips. They can ride the wave, I'm on my cruise ship. Who's best, who cares, homie, change the subject.
Drink some, smoke some, pass out, fuck it. Loud tunes, neighbors, mad about the ruckus. Call me dickhead, but your girl gone.
I ain't gonna say that.
They say I'm just